New information on the arrest of a suspended IPS school counselor facing child seduction charges. According to court documents, Shana Taylor had sex at least 20 times with a 17-year-old student from Longfellow Alternative School. It says the student went to Taylor for counseling in October. Then within a week, conversations turned sexual. Investigators say Taylor sent nude pictures of herself to the teen. They also say Taylor went to the student's house where they smoked marijuana and had sex. The encounters also allegedly happened at a hotel, in Taylor's car, and her home.